The last feature in the CAD workflow I want to talk about is AutoSnap. In the first job here, we imported die files, and then for each one of these one-ups, we assigned artwork that just automatically snapped into place. And what was actually going on behind the scenes there was our AutoSnap algorithm was being used, which analyzes the artwork against the die and figures out how to place things right in the correct place. And this is done all automatically behind the scenes without any user input. So to give a better idea of what's going on here, let's just go back to the new job we created and go into this product. And let's take a look at a few different scenarios. So here we have some samples, and we've got a few different files here. So in this file, for example, the artwork isn't centered within the trim box. We've got another one here that the artwork is it's upside down. And then we've got another even more extreme case here where the artwork is upside down and the rotation's incorrect, and it's not centered in the PDF. And then we've even got this info box here that's also using the keyline ink for the borders here. These are all scenarios that Phoenix can handle automatically without any user input. So let's see how this works. We'll go back to Phoenix here. Let's just select one of those pieces of artwork. Okay, let's select the first one, problem 1, off-centered. Select that. Okay, automatically, as you can see, right into place. No input on our part. We just select the file. If you can see, or if I zoom out a bit, this is the actual bounding box of the original artwork, so you can see that we've actually automatically placed it correctly. Let's delete this artwork and try the next one. And this time, let's just use a drag and drop. A lot of import features in Phoenix can be done with drag and drop by simply just going to the Finder in the case of Mac and just dragging the file in. Since we're in product view, I'm going to want to use the command key to drag it in so that it'll snap into view. So let's do this one now, the rotation incorrect, upside down. Drag that in and automatically snaps correctly into place. So we've automatically fixed the rotation. Okay, let's try the absolute worst case. Rotation incorrect, centering incorrect, and this info box that's in the way. So drag that in, holding the command key, and automatically snaps into place. If I actually turn off the transparency here, or turn up the transparency, then you can see there's the info box, and everything has been rotated and offset correctly so that the die and the artwork match up exactly. So this tool will work for you as long as the die file and the artwork have the exact same dimensions, meaning that if you go into your artwork file, you can see that we have the die lines in here as well. As long as these are the same dimensions and the same shape, then Phoenix will automatically figure out how to place things correctly for you with no input. You won't have to specify offsets or what the keyline ink is, nothing. It's just automatic.